Alright, welcome back to this lesson. So in the previous lesson, we were able to learn how to handle our media library, how you can add your images, how you can delete and edit them. Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to be taking care of how to create pages and menu, and that is very much important in blogging. Okay, now this is what I mean. If you check our blog right now, we have home, we have sample page, and this sample page, we don't even need it. It was created by default in WordPress. Okay, so let me go back home. Okay, so we need this home, but we don't need this sample page. So we need to remove this sample page. Then we need to add our categories to the navigation bar here. Just like this blog, you can see we have society, music, box office, celeb, lifestyle, and so on. And like I've told you earlier on, all these links are categories. So if I click on box office, for instance, I'm going to see all posts that has to do with box office. So you can see they are just all posts in box office category. So you can see the labels, you can see they are in just one category. So we need to create something like this on our blog also. So how do we do that? I'm going to start by creating a page, because on our blog, of course, we should be having a contact us page. If someone wants to contact you as a blogger, so we should have a contact us page. So we are going to create that page right now. So to create your page, you will come under pages. Then if you click on all pages, you will see all pages that are available for you. So we have two pages right here. We have privacy policy and we have sample page. Okay, so we have sample page that is displayed on our navigation bar, but privacy policy is not added to the navigation bar. Okay, so you can create pages and decide to add them to menu, and you can also decide not to add them to menu. So let us create a page right here. So to create a page, it is similar to the way you create your post. Okay, so you just have to click add new page at the top here, or add new page by the left hand side here. So whichever one you click, they perform the same function. So I want to open in a new tab, so let me click on open link in a new tab. So I'm going to create a new page. So you can see the new page, and I want to name this new page, I want to say contact us. Okay, then I'm going to publish. Okay, so for now we don't want to put any content here, but with time we are going to be putting form on this page so that people can fill the form and contact us. But for now, let us just create the page and leave the page empty. Now notice that this environment is actually different from post environment, because in this environment you are not going to be seeing categories here, you are not going to see tags. Okay, you only see parent page and template. Then you can set feature image if you like. Then you can also put a page under another page. Now we have created our page contact us. So let me view this page. Okay, so you can see this page right here. It is an empty page, and you can see it right here in our navigation bar that we have contact us. Now let us go to menu. Now if you want to create your menu, you come under appearance, and under appearance you will see menu. But I think there's something that is wrong with this theme. So we need to change this theme, because under this appearance we're supposed to have menu, we're supposed to have customization, but we are having theme, we are having editor, and we are having revive news. Okay, so there are a lot of things that are lost here, and I think it is due to the theme that we chose. Okay, it happens like that sometimes. Okay, so let us go back to our themes and choose another theme, and let's see if this problem will be solved. Okay, so now let us click on add new theme. Then let's look for magazine. I told you that when you want to use any theme for blogging, I told you the keywords to use. Okay, so then let's look for a theme that we want to use right here. So okay, let me use this color magazine. Okay, let's install. All right, then I want to activate it, and of course the front page of our blog now might have changed. Okay, so let's see. All right, so you can see that the layout has changed because it changes according to the theme. Now let's see if that problem is solved. Okay, now you can see right here under appearance, we now have theme, customize, widget, menu, header, background, and the rest. But for now, we want to work on menus. So when you click menu, from here you can create your menu. So to create your menu, you need to add your menu name here. So I want to add my main menu. You can name it anything, but I prefer to name it main menu. Okay, so you can add it to the primary, okay, because it's going to be our primary menu. Okay, so you can see different things here: top, header, footer. So if you want to add a menu to your footer section, you choose your footer. If you want it to be at the top after the navigation bar, okay, so where you see trending news now, okay, you can add menu there. Okay, that works according to the theme. Okay, but I want it to be primary. Okay, I just want it to be here. Okay, so I'm going to click on create menu. All right, so when I create my menu right here, then I can add whatever I want to add to my menu. So if I click on view all, I can see all available pages. So we have home, we have contact us, and we have sample page. But for now, I want to work with home and contact us. So I will check two of them and click on add to menu. Okay, so I have added two items to the menu now. Now, if you have so many pages and you cannot find them, you can easily come under search here and type the name of the page. Then it will appear for you to add to the menu. Okay, now you can add page, which we have added. You can add post, you can add custom link, and you can also add category. But for now, we don't need to add post, and I don't think that you will ever need it. Okay, you don't need to add post to your navigation bar. Okay, so let us go to categories. Okay, so we have categories, we have society, we have news, we have local news, we have celebrity gist, foreign news, leadership, and music. So you can decide to add all categories to your menu. Okay, so I've selected all of them, then I will click on add to menu. All right, so after adding like this, then I need to click on save menu. Okay, now that my menu has been successfully saved, so I will go to my front end, I will refresh. So right here you can see we have home, contact us, society, news, local news, celebrity gist, foreign news. You can see all the categories are now added to the menu bar. Now if I click on celebrity gist, for instance, I will only see posts that has to do with celebrity gist. Okay, so I have just one post under that category. Now if I click on news, for instance, I will see all posts under news. You can see all posts that I have under news. Now don't forget that local news, foreign news, and celebrity gist, they are under news. Okay, so I can have them as a drop down. So if you want to add them as a drop down, let me check the categories again. Okay, we have local news, celebrity gist, and foreign news as a sub category to the category of news. Okay, so since they are subcategories, if you want to make them a subcategory in your menu arrangement, you can also do that. Okay, so I have local news, celebrity gist, and foreign news. Now this is news, then I want to put local news under it. So what I will do is that I will just click on it and drag it inward. Okay, then celebrity gist also, I will drag it inward. Foreign news, I will drag it inward. Okay, so if I click on save menu now, then this three will be a drop down to news. Now let's assume that I want my contact us to be the last, which I think should be. Okay, what I just have to do, if you want to rearrange your items, just click on it and drag it to where you want it to be. So I want the contact us to be the last on the menu list. Then maybe I want leadership category to come immediately after home. Okay, so you will just drag it up and drop it there. Then I'll click on save menu. Alright, so if I go to the front end and refresh right now, you can see that leadership is immediately after home. Then under news, I have this drop down just because I dragged them inward a bit so that they can be under news. Okay, so that is how to work with your menu. Now if you want to remove any of these items, just click on it, then you click on remove, then it will be deleted away from this menu. It will still remain on your blog. It is not going to be deleted from your blog, okay, but it will be removed from the menu. So you can see that they did not write delete, they write removed. Okay, so you can remove the item from the menu. Now let's come to custom link. For instance, you want to link to an external website. For instance, maybe I want to link to a school website or to another blog, as the case may be. So I may need to create a custom link if I like. So I'll click on custom link here, then I will put the link in the URL box here, then I'll put the link text. Okay, so if I'm linking to Edo Poly, for instance, I will type Edo Poly in the link text, then I'll go to Edo Poly website and copy their URL. So from the URL bar, I can just copy from here and paste the link here. Okay, then I will click on add to menu. Okay, so we see Edo Poly here, and you can see their labels. You can see home is a custom link, leadership is a category, society is a category, news is a category. You can see the categories. Then contact us is a page. You can see it. Edo Poly is a custom link. You can see it, custom link here. So I may decide to put it before contact us. Then I will click on save menu. Now if I go to my front end and refresh it, of course I'm going to see my newly created link, okay, which is Edo Poly. So if I click on this link, of course it will leave this blog and go to the Edo Poly website. Okay, so you can see it opens the link. So if you want to link to an external website, that is what you will do. Okay, just use custom link, paste the link here and add your link text. Now maybe later you want to edit your menu text. Maybe when you were creating your page, you named it contact us, because whatever name you give to your page is what will appear here. Now I want to change the menu label, so I can just change it to contact. Okay, so just click on the menu. You can see it will open. Then you will see navigation label. Okay, so you can change the label. The label will not change the title of your page. The title of your page will still remain the same. only the label will change. Okay, so I can save menu, and as you can see right here, the original is contact us. Okay, now let me click on save menu. So if I go to the front end right here and refresh, you can see that contact us has changed to contact. Now if you want to remove an item, I've told you how to remove. Now if you want to remove multiple, then you can click on box select and click the ones you want to remove, and click on delete menu. Then it will remove whatever you have selected. Okay, now the last thing I want to show to you here is this auto add pages. Okay, so if you click on automatic add new top level pages to this menu and save, so if I check this box right here, anytime I create a new page, it will add it to this menu. So sometimes you don't need to check it, because anytime you add a new page, it will add to this menu. But as for me, I don't really like it. I love to add my page to my menu by myself. Okay, so let me just save. Okay, and go to my front end and see what we have. All right, so we have home, leadership, society, and we have 3 categories under news category. Okay, so you can play around it and do whatever you want to do with your menu. So in this video, we have been able to cover how you can create your pages and how you can add your pages, categories, and custom link to your menu. All right, stay motivated and stay good. Very soon you will be proud of yourself that you took this course. And I want to say thank you once again, and I will see you in my next lesson.